Hello, Sky Traders. Welcome back to new recap video. This is Mina, your trading coach, and this recap is introduced by Sky Traders Trading. In this video, we're gonna cover the Bitcoin dollar. Bitcoin, as you know, started to do a bullish sign and bullish trend over the past couple of days. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. All right, so today we're gonna start with the 4 hours time frame. We've been analyzing like the Bitcoin for a while now, so let's just dig deeper on the lower time frames or the mid-average time frame, which is the 4 hours time frame, and let's see what's going on and what's happening, right? So over the past, like since 9th of November 2022, right, last year, we created this consolidation phase, right? Starting by this market structure, when we broke through this candle, tried to consolidate a little bit on the 4 hours time frame, where we can see clearly on the lower time frames, but let's just focus on the 4 hours time frame right now. And then we took all of the liquidity setting below these levels. Then actually we rejected, and you can see it also on the 4 hours time frame in here. We rejected and trading back at this level where a liquidity void happened. That's why it's important level. So price couldn't trade back to previous broken level. So this is an important price level between $19,347 to $18,820, right? Okay. And then we created another lower low, breaking this wick of the candle. And since then, we started to consolidate. We created a low, then consolidation, higher low, couldn't take the previous low, then consolidation, lower low, taking all of the liquidity, and this is the lowest low in the market so far. We broke this low with a high pressure buy candle, breaking this market structure. Consolidation, another high pressure buy candle, breaking this market structure. Consolidation, another high pressure buy candle, breaking this market structure. And then retracement all the way back to the previous buy pressure candle that broke the first market structure. And then consolidation with low liquidity in the market near Christmas, which is completely fine. And then a huge expansion, breaking this market structure, consolidating. Another buy pressure candle, breaking this market structure, consolidating. And now, since we are trading in a really important level, right? It's the previous liquidity void area. If we consolidated and broke through this level, especially this level, it's going to be around this level with a high pressure buy candle, we can see another high targeting this liquidity void. So this is going to be our first liquidity void, second liquidity void, and third liquidity void, right? If we couldn't break through this level and we rejected, we can see, or we're going to wait to see a high pressure sell candle breaking this market structure, so we can see another low probably created within this consolidation phase before a further shoot to the upside, right? So now we're trading in a really important level. Let's see, if you are a big fan of indicators, let's see how indicators say. Let's, for example, apply the moving average convergence divergence. All right. You can see in here that the fast and slow moving average crossed, and a lot of movement or price movement was indicated to the upside during this consolidation phase. And now what we are seeing is that the fast and slower moving average are diverging, right? That means we can expect further expansion in price. And expansion in price could be in both directions, by the way. It could be in the buy direction or the sell direction, right? So it could be, if we consolidate and break this market structure, we can see another high, getting this high, and probably we can see some kind of retracement from this point, or if we didn't break through this area, we can actually expect a high pressure sell candle breaking this market structure, creating another low. Again, it depends on the fundamentals of the price, especially right now, cryptocurrencies are depending a lot on the fundamentals. So if nothing happens, nothing extraordinary or nothing like out of the control happen, like collapse of another exchange or collapse of another coin, we can see another target of the higher high or the liquidity void and liquidity hunts. If you want to check the another indicator, stochastic for example, right, you can see that price broke through the 50% level during exactly once we broke this consolidation area, and then since then we are higher than the 50% level. But people might see that it's overbought right now, right? I don't care about overbought or oversold. It doesn't matter. You can actually find like the stochastic indicator fall below the 50% and prices keeps moving up. So it doesn't depend actually on the overbought or oversold. But this could be a strong indication that price is expanding as well when it comes to the momentum, right? Because it's really important when you cross this 50% level. Let's see on the daily time frame and then get back to the 1 hour time frame, right? All right, so on the daily time frame, you can clearly see that we had low, we can consider this one as a low, and a higher low, break of market structure, and now we're trading here. So again, this is the 50% right now, this is the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. So if we're gonna expect price to reverse from this point, at least we can expect price to drop back to the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, which is aligned with the market structure that's been broken. If we're gonna see a further move to the upside, so we need to see some consolidation in here, and then another expansion to the second market structure, right? Similar actually to what happened before. What happened in here? Price expanded, consolidated, and then reversed from this market structure. So we can see something similar in here, probably. Yeah. This is a high. Let's remove the drawings all right. This is a high that was created over the past weeks. Lower high, lower high. Can we expect another lower high from here? Since we're now actually also like to consider from this starting point to this end point, now we're trading around the 50% to 62% Fibonacci retracement level. So it's also an important level. Could be potential reversal point if we're going to create another lower high, right? So now we're trading in a really critical area. How to identify if the Bitcoin is going to start the bullish trend, or this is the all-time or it's going to reach like one more time the all-time highs? If we started to break and target the previous highs as new liquidity hunts, and if we break this market structure with a high pressure buy candle, then retrace back, creating a higher low, and then target the next one, this could be a sign to start a new bullish trend on the long term. So now we're trading within a really critical level. Let's move down to the 1 hour chart just to see some. All right. So since we started, high, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, expansion, retracement, expansion, all following the price delivery conditions, right? But again, this is the important liquidity hunt that we are targeting if we're not gonna reverse from here. So this is a really important level, actually, that we're trading in right now. We can see two situations happening. Either price is gonna break through this level with a high pressure buy candle And then we can expect actually either to have a reversal to trap all of the buyers in here, or to, let's remove this one, scenario number 2 is to have a high pressure buy candle and then consolidation, another consolidation retracement, then another high pressure buy pressure candle. Then at this point, we're targeting this liquidity hunt. So we can actually figure out 5 or 6 opportunities until we reach there. Or if we're going to reverse from this point, what we can expect is either price to fail to take previous high, break this market structure, and then fall down, or price takes previous high or market high, fake out, and then breaking this market structure and then fall down. So these are the 3 scenarios that we're actually waiting to happen. So in the meantime, what we're gonna do, we're gonna study the fundamentals, see if anything related to crypto is collapsing or evolving, new regulation, whatever, any extraordinary thing that might affect the whole price action of the market, I mean from fundamental point of view. And just wait for these scenarios to happen. In each kind of scenario, if you're a long-term holder or if you're a short-term trader, you're going to find a lot of opportunities, like 5 or 6 opportunities to enter and exit the market. So trade safe, try to keep an eye on the fundamentals, and thank you so much for watching. This is Mina, your trading coach. See you in next weekly recaps.